Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the H-band application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the H-band application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on Mine, and here you should see your X1 watch on the list of my devices. Tap on the X1, and then tap on Message Notifications. And here, if you don't have the required permissions allowed on your phone, you will see the prompt. If you see it, tap on Yes, and it will redirect you to the notification access. Here you need to find the H-band application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and then you can go back. And then you will see more pop-ups about the permissions if you don't have them allowed. So allow the required permissions. And once you're done, you should see this page. And here we can enable and disable the types or different notifications for different features and apps. So basically you have the phone calls, SMS, you can enable or disable the notifications for them. You have WeChat, QQ, Facebook, WhatsApp and stuff like that. And how it works is basically if you enable, for example, notifications for WhatsApp and you receive the notification from the WhatsApp on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, you will see the notification only on your phone. It won't be forwarded to the watch. That's how it works. And if you want to enable the notifications for the apps that are not on this list right here, you need to enable the option called Other Apps. And if you enable it, you can tap on it, and here you should see the list of apps, as you can see. And on this list, you can find the app you want to enable the notifications for. Tap on the switch next to it to enable it. Okay, so once you're done customizing this, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your phone. So I'm gonna check if I'm logged in on Discord, or rather in Discord. And I am not, so I'm gonna log in, and we're gonna send ourselves a message on Discord to see if it's working. Okay, we are logged in, so I'm gonna send myself a message now. Give me a second. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always open the notification panel by swiping up on the home screen. Come on. The touch screen on this watch is a bit wonky, so it's not always working well. And as you can see, here we have our notification. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.